Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to use your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro during a workout. So let's say you've started a workout. Let's go and start a quick workout. Let's say you are doing an indoor cycle or an indoor run. Indoor walk, that's more practical. So you started a workout and you know how workouts go. When you press the crown, it doesn't take you home. It just pauses the workout and unpauses the workout. So as the workout is ongoing, what you want to do is double press on the crown. That's going to show you your most recent apps. You want to go to your watch face and do that. Now that will make the workout run in the background, and you can see at the top here, there's a workout running in the background. Okay. Now you can access that workout anytime by tapping on that little icon, and you can see it's recording the workout. And to exit out of here again, double press on that and then select watch face. Okay, so that is basically how to do that. So from here, you can now use your watch and do other things you might want to do. You can look at notifications. You can do anything else. You can control your music and do whatever you need to do. All right. So that is basically how to use your watch during a workout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.